Let's make us some hot honey boneless chicken thighs. Let's start this off with my two favorite brands, Harlee-Jax barbecue and LC barbecue. I'm gonna use last call and hot barbecue rub. And top it off at the end, we're gonna put a little hot honey peach. Now we're gonna put a couple skewers through them to help us flip them and grill them as we're going. There you have it. We use a little Duke's mayo for a binder. Going with that last call and that hot barbecue rub. We're going to be cooking these on our Masterbuilt portable and Royal Oak charcoal briquettes. Get the grill lit and get them on. Let's give her a try. That is mighty tasty. You can pick up a hint of that pepper and them Texas flavors from that last call. A bit of heat from the Harlee-Jax hot barbecue rub. Also some heat from that hot honey peach glaze. Stuff's delicious.